Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and I have another fall clean and decorate with me. Today I am working on the family room, and I'm going to light a candle here so it can smell like fall in here. I'm just going to straighten up the family room up a little bit. I just got back from my bike ride a little while ago. Actually, a long while ago, now that I think about it. But I am wearing a knee, well, it's a compression sleeve, so don't be alarmed. It's just a precaution. I was having a little trouble with my knees, so I was using my massager, and I'm going to get to cleaning up this family room. Okay, in my last video, I had something different here on the coffee table, and I switched it out because I didn't like it. And I put in this little arrangement here, which little stinker, little Calvin, has been playing with the pine cones and the acorns and then messing with the flowers in there. So about every day I'm having to fix it, but that's okay. It's okay. The kitty cats are funny, and we are enjoying them. So I am going to switch out these drink coasters. I got a new set from Amazon and I really like it. I don't know what you call this finished. I guess it's a farmhouse distressed look. I don't really know. But I have several pieces. I had some corbels and some little flowers that I bought that look the same. And I don't know, I really like this look. So the cats really like to sit on the windowsill, so I bought this little cat bed that attaches to the window, and look at how dirty my windows are. I'm going to get started on cleaning the windows here in a minute. The sliders are pretty filthy too, as well as the patio, but that's not happening today. I'm just going to concentrate on these sliders and then these two windows that are in the family room. I'm just using the hose and some Dawn dish soap and a little scrub brush that's actually from a push broom that broke, so I still haven't gotten to the store to get a new one. You might have seen that in my front porch decor. If you have not seen that yet, I'll put the link down below. So that just works really well. It's really filthy. Windex was just not going to do it, and I was watering the plants, and now I'm going to do the two windows and the screens. And the screens actually need replaced, and I'll get to that soon. Okay, so I have been working on making over the family room for a while now, and we painted the wall and got a new couch, and I got a new chair actually a couple weeks ago, and here I am putting it together. It is from Target, and I really like it, and I think it's going to look nice in the corner. This clip is actually from a couple weeks ago. When I got it delivered, it just was all put together. You just had to put the legs on, so I'm trying to figure out how to do that. And actually, hubby had to put the back legs on for me. I couldn't figure out how to do that. The front legs just twisted on. Okay, the windows are still looking dirty, so I'm going to have to get the Windex out and finish cleaning them. And I wanted to show you my new curtains that I forgot to show you in the last video. If you have not seen that video, I will put the link down below. And I still have the same window scarf over there atop the curtains. And this is my new chair. I am really loving it. I think it totally completes the look. Okay, so I really do like the chair, but it's a little stiff. I'm sure once I sit in it some more, it will loosen up and be a little more comfortable. But I definitely think I need an ottoman for this. But for right now, I am using the extra throw pillows here for an ottoman. And we got this little side table, which really was supposed to be over there by the couch. But I'll show you there in a minute. It didn't look right. So we just decided to go ahead and put it over here by the chair. And I got this tic-tac-toe set recently from Walmart. And the side table matches the coffee table and the sofa table. And they were all from Target. And I am very pleased with them. So I went online and was looking for a poof to put here. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a footstool. And they were ridiculously expensive. And I decided that I am going to crochet a poof. So here's what I started, and it's going to take me a while to finish it. And also I need some kind of window treatment for these windows. And as we speak, my sister and brother-in-law are making some wood cornices to go over the top of the windows, and that's going to look quite nice. And here is my sofa table that I showed you in a previous video. I am really liking it. It is smaller and narrower, and it actually gives more room here behind the couch. And this is how I decorated it. And then, of course, the piece de resistance, is that how you say that, is my carpet. I am so in love with it. I got it from boutiques.com, and I am an affiliate, so if you are interested, you can click the link down below. They have some beautiful rugs. I fell in love with this months ago, and they were out of stock, and I waited and waited and waited to it to come back in stock, and finally it did. So this is not a sponsored video, but like I said, I have an affiliate link if you want to check them out. They have some absolutely gorgeous rugs. They have some really inexpensive rugs, but also they have some pretty expensive rugs too. And my rug, I said, probably would be right in the middle. And a couple of months ago, I actually bought this little small rug to put here by the slider because I wanted to make sure I really liked this pattern before I actually bought the big one, because it was a little on the high side, but I don't know, I'm really liking it, and it is very, very, very good quality rug, and I'm very pleased with it. So I'm finishing up Windexing the windows here, and I don't know if it really made much of a difference. It's still looking streaky. Okay, like I said, we had originally bought this side table to put over on the side of the couch over here for hubby to put his drink on, but it just didn't look right. And then we would have had to move the rug because it really needs to be moved forward. I don't know. So we decided to just put it by the chair. So I'm going to take everything off of this wall unit and dust it really good and polish it with some of the Method wood polish that I have left over. And I was going to put this shiplap contact paper on the backs of the wall unit there, and yeah, I'm undecided about that. I have them on the doors below, and I'm not sure I really want to do that. I think I need to let it resonate for a little while before I do that. Well, I am just actually watching some Trout and Coffee on YouTube. It is a YouTube channel and it has some beautiful autumn footage. If you are interested, I'll put the link down below. I also tried putting some scrapbook paper on the back panels to brighten and lighten it up in the little areas that I decorate, but I don't know, I didn't like that either. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the little shiplap contact paper that I put on the doors? Again, I'm not undecided as whether I wanted to put it on the back of the panels of the little cubbies there. Okay, I'm just going to take a little break here and drink my water and contemplate how I want to decorate the wall unit. Again, we started this family room makeover back in, actually it was January when we got the new couch, and then in March we painted the walls or the wall, and then this wall still needs to be painted, so stay tuned for that. If you want to see the family room makeover from the beginning, it is in my Fix It Friday series. I will put the link down below. Okay, I'm not really going to be decorating these shelves behind the couch because I need to take everything down and paint the wall eventually, but I do want to change out the flowers in this vase. Now these are not looking correct. I don't know, they don't look right, so I take them down and play with them some more and make it look a little nicer. I think that's much better. So I didn't get very many new things this year, but I did get this new pumpkin and the new picture frame when I went on my birthday haul shopping. And I have a particular picture in mind, and I hope you guys don't mind, but I thought I would dedicate this video to my mom who passed away in August.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart, every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms, pretend we'll stay here forever.
Okay, I hope you guys don't mind me sharing that with you. I just thought I wanted to show you something on a more personal level. And I'm going to stop cutting onions and finish up the decor here. So I'm putting things back, and I took some scrapbook paper and I covered these books. I thought it would look cute. I know a lot of people do that with white paper, but I decided to do it with some fall paper. And I'm just putting things back where they belong. I've had this little pumpkin basket forever, but usually I had some bright sunflowers in here, and I wanted to lighten it up, and I didn't think that went with the room, so I just put in some cream colored flowers, and I'm looking in my stash of flowers and leaves and all that kind of stuff for things to use for the decor on the wall unit. I actually finished decorating the wall unit off camera. You know, it takes me a while and I play around with things and move things around again and again. So I'm just going to show you the finished look, and I do need to finish the top. Those birds are from spring and I need to put those away. This green glass pumpkin is actually my mother's. I found these years ago and I bought 3 of them. I gave one to my mom, one to my sister, and I bought one for myself. So I inherited my mom's pumpkin and I'm including it here in the decor. You can see it is much later. It is dark outside, and I have these little puck lights in the wall unit, so it lights up all of the pretty things, and I really liked how this is turning out. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And right here, there is some links for some more fall decor videos. Click them, and until next time, guys, enjoy your day.